Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing 4 different plan with me's. I'm going to be using my Turning a New Leaf, also my Fanciful Fox collection, Falling for Bunnies, and the Golden One set. Now I also grabbed my Halloween collection to show you as well. This is the mini Halloween kit that I will be doing for my October Halloween setup. I'm also going to be pulling in some of my Mischief Halloween as well. So if you guys want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with today's plan with me. Now the first kit I'm using is Turning a New Leaf. This is what went out in last month's sticker bundle. It's also available in the shop now if you guys want to get your hands on it. Now this week is actually more of a plan as I go style or memory keeping. Since the week has already happened, I wanted to show you how I do a different plan with me. So sometimes I do a plan as I go where I plan each day at the end of the evening. Now this one is more of a memory keeping where I actually wrote down all the things that I did throughout the week. And then that way I can come back and put it inside my planner. That way I know exactly what I did during the week, even though I didn't actually plan each individual day. I thought it would be fun for you guys to see a whole spread filled in compared to the next 3 spreads where I will be just pre-planning for the weeks ahead, which I am so excited about. I've actually never done a pre-plan with the whole month before, so I'm excited to see if this works out for me. So far I am absolutely loving it. After putting in all of the 4 kits already, I can see why it will be really nice and handy, because instead of waiting for my plan with me to roll around, I can actually write in when I have appointments or things like that. I am doing a fall bucket list this year as well, so I want to be able to put in stickers ahead of time when I know things are happening. So I'm really excited to see how that turns out. I just flipped the planner over because I wanted to show you how I am doing my sidebar. Now this is pretty typical of how I like to have my sidebar set up, with my daily task reminders reminding me to put down all of my meals. I also like to use the small one either for orders or for my workout. It depends on really what I'm focusing on for the week. And then I also like to have like a little don't forget or reminder for the week, just to write in things that I need to remember for the week. And now I'm just filling in all the things that I did last week. Now all of this has already happened. Like I said, it is a memory keeping. I like to keep track of little things throughout the day. In the checklist area, typically I like to write in the morning exactly what I need to focus on for the day. And then in the middle section, sometimes it's in the end section or in the front section, but just the one little section where I put in little stickers or the half boxes or quarter boxes. Those are things that I like to highlight, like my workouts or designing, things like that. Just some little highlight throughout the day. If I do laundry or errands, those typically go there. And then I am putting in my movie night sticker. Now, typically I do a movie night on Friday or Saturday night. Last week I watched Hold the Dark, and oh my goodness, guys, I had nightmares for the last 2 days because of that movie. So I am definitely not a scary movie person, but I do like to watch them around Halloween time. I don't know why I do it to myself, because they are way too scary for me. So if you guys have any like fun scary movies that I should see, let me know down below. So I'm just finishing off with the Turning a New Leaf collection here and putting in all of the fall leaves up top. I just thought it looked so beautiful, like they're falling on the page here. So let's go ahead and start with next week. So this week I'm going to be using a fanciful fox. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to be putting down my weeks ahead of time. It's just going to be so much fun to play around with all of my weekly layouts. Now this is an older collection. You guys can see I actually do have the top borders. That was made for the older Erin Condren that like didn't have anything under it, so you guys can see the flag ones kind of get in the way, but I thought it looked super pretty anyways. So I am putting down all of the check boxes now. Now I am speeding through the last couple of plan with me's just so you guys can get like an idea. And of course Patty has to come moseying along. She actually sits here pretty much throughout the rest of my plan with me because she was hungry. It was dinner time for her and she was not budging, and I really didn't feel like pushing her off because I love having her around. So I'm putting down my YouTube stickers now. My weekly YouTube videos are typically Monday and Friday now. Every now and then I will have a Wednesday video, but I really want to focus on getting out good videos for you on Monday and Friday, and if I do have any extra videos I will put them out on Wednesdays, and sometimes if I have more than Wednesday videos I'll also do a Sunday YouTube video as well. So I'm finishing off my layout here. Now I'm just putting down the half boxes and quarter boxes and some of the deco. I didn't want to fill it up because of course I don't know exactly what I'm doing. So let's move on to week 3, and this one is Falling for Bunnies. This one also is an older collection. Now there isn't that many of this kit left. I believe that there may be a couple. I'm also offering it in a matte vinyl as well, where the Fanciful Fox was just in matte removable, and the Fanciful Fox only has a limited amount of kits available as well, so I thought I would mention that. So I'm putting down all of my date covers now. I'm also putting in my weather stickers. Now these are revamped weather stickers. I like to put in my weather when it really starts changing. Now of course because it is fall, there's going to be a lot more windy, cloudy, rainy days, but I'm super lucky that the last part of next week is going to be sunny. Now sunny doesn't mean warm. It's actually still going to be 50 and sunny, but I'm totally fine with that as long as I can put down a sun in my planner. I'm super happy. So I'm putting down all of my full boxes down at the bottom here. You guys can see I do like to change it up a bit. Sometimes I put down all the full boxes up top and the checklist in the bottom, but typically all of like the little things I like to keep in the middle. For some reason that just seems like a little focal point for me. So of course I put down my YouTube stickers, some more half boxes, and then all of the deco stickers. Now I also put down a movie night because of course I'm going to be watching a movie this week, and then I realize I need to start putting down my Halloween countdown stickers. So it is so fun to put these down already because it feels like Halloween is like right around the corner, but technically it is still a couple of weeks away, but it is so cute to have them in there already. So let's move on to the golden one. Now this is probably the oldest out of all of the collections, and once it is sold out I will not be returning this. If you guys have been around for a while, you know that my kit started out with these very long sidebars. Let me know if you guys remember that. I absolutely love it, and I was so nostalgic that I was thinking maybe I might make a kit with the long sidebars again. I just think it looks so pretty, especially with the girl silhouette in the background. Now this kit also had the top border, which I am so glad because it really fit this whole kit super well. You guys can see even the colors of October fit really nicely, and that little flag in the right hand corner doesn't even bother me, and I really like how the October kind of peeps through the full box and the top border. Now you guys can see Patty is just begging for attention. Don't be fooled though. She really just wants food. Like I said, it is her dinner time, so she is not budging until I actually get up to feed her. So I'm just finishing off with my full box checklist. Now I'm super excited for this week because I get to use my Hallmark Christmas movie countdown. So on the 27th is the first Hallmark Christmas movie, and I am so excited because Christmas is absolutely my favorite holiday of the whole year. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to start decorating for Christmas. Now, typically I do Halloween for all of October, but I've been actually in a fall mood, so I think for Christmas I might actually do Christmas every week. Maybe I'll do one or two winter kits. We will see, because I just absolutely love Christmas. But these cute little Halloween stickers is making me so excited for Halloween just right around the corner now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun plan with me. I'd love to hear down below which kit you preferred, the golden one, Fanciful Fox, Fallen for Bunnies, or the brand new New Leaf collection. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Bye.